What's up, everyone? Today I just got home from work and there is a box. Let's see what is in this box. It was just my birthday yesterday, so I was able to order me a couple things for my birthday. So let's see what's in here. Yes! I always wanted some. Thanks, Amazon. Oh my god, it keeps coming. That is a lot. It's gotta be like 10, 12 feet. Let's see what's in here. Got more. Got my horn siren thing. Make some noise. What else we got? Oh, CB radio. That's nice. An antenna. That's good, because since I bought the truck, I haven't had an antenna. I get like 2.5 stations. Oh, and a new grip. Damn. I thought it was a pair. I guess I have to order me another one. Well, I have one grip. This is for the oh shit handle. There you go. That's today's short little video. It's the stuff I got for the truck. And then videos of installation will be coming. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Peace.